Hi there, and welcome to the Geonix channel. I'm Andrew, and today we are going to walk through how to set up a proxy using the Smart Proxy extension for your browser. To start off, download the extension from the Chrome Web Store and open it via your browser's extension panel. Once you're in, navigate to the Proxy Servers section and click on Add Server. A setup window will appear where you can give your proxy a name and select the protocol you want to use. Smart Proxy supports HTTP, HTTPS, SOCKS 4, and SOCKS 5. Choose the one that matches your proxy settings. Then enter the corresponding IP address and port. Now, it's worth noting that this extension works only with IP-based authentication. That means username and password fields won't work here. Make sure your proxy is authorized by IP. Once you've entered all the details, go ahead and save the configuration. The next step is to create a profile. Click on Add New Smart Profile. At this stage, you'll be offered two options: Always Enabled, where the proxy will be used across all websites, or Smart Rules, which allows you to apply the proxy only on selected sites. Let's walk through setting up a Smart Rules profile. Start by entering a name for the profile, then select the proxy you just added. In the Rules section, specify which websites should use this proxy. Once everything's filled in, click Save to finish. To activate the proxy, simply open the extension and choose the profile you've just created. And with that, your proxy is ready to go. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, Geonix.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.